Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video on this 2013 Ford F-150. We put a 2-inch level on the front, some 20x9 wheels with a positive 30mm offset, and some 35x1250 R20 all-terrain tires. And the answer is you barely have to trim. Right here on the front on the valence, we would recommend trimming just a little corner edge off of it. You don't have to. Honestly, you don't really have to, but if you don't want it to rub at all, you just gotta trim a little piece. You could probably do it with a box cutter, but we'd recommend like a small reciprocating saw or something of that nature. Maybe a small 3-inch angle grinder, die grinder, something like that. Maybe even a Dremel tool with the right head, you could get the job done. With that being said, it clears, the offset is really like a factory wheel, so that's why it's able to clear this 35-inch tire. But if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.